In today's lab, students of the year 10, they were having few experimental procedures, which is like part of their revision for their IGCSE exams. First, they have done a little bit of titrations of the unknown concentration of the base with the acid. As an indicator, they have used a phenolphthalein, which actually shows the change in color when the endpoint of titration is reached. Next, very important part is determination and analysis of gases. Important part of the practical biology work is microscopy. So today students were looking at microscopy slides of animal and plant tissues.